Welcome back to today's Podia tip. Today we will cover 3 ways Podia crushes ConvertKit. I'm a nice guy. I don't like to use the word crush, but it got your attention, right? So let's just go straight to the 3 points. ConvertKit doesn't offer video hosting. You cannot provide courses, and they do not have a community option. So video hosting, they do have templates where you're allowed to embed videos from YouTube, but you cannot put your own videos in there and play them in a native player. Okay, so that means when you run your videos, you're going to see other ads from YouTube or related videos, etc. So no video hosting. That's something you want to think about. Where are your videos going to be hosted and how can you access them later? ConvertKit does not offer a course platform. You can email your courses through a series of emails, and that means they would just kind of get drip content where they would get a video email each week, but there is no video course platform. So you wouldn't be able to have outlines of your course. You wouldn't be able to show progress of your course like you would in Podia. And then lastly, they do not offer a community option for your community to interact with your content. So one of the biggest things that you can do is offer a video course and then offer the people who buy the course to be in a community about that video. So if I have a video on a series of Podia tips, but you wanted to go deeper into Podia, you could join my Podia tips course or my Podia tips community and be more interactive with people who are in the same stage that you are. You cannot do that in ConvertKit. Plans. I really like ConvertKit. I used it from the beginning. When I started a year ago, I used ConvertKit. I built a form on there to collect leads for a webinar. I really like it as far as that. They have great segmentation. So you can segment your email content based on the products they choose, based on lots of different things. And that's a very strong point of ConvertKit is their email segmentation. But after that, it kind of stops, even with their paid plan. So one of the ways that ConvertKit advertises is that you get 1,000 subscribers in the free plan, which is true. 1,000 is a lot. It's a lot more than I have. I'm nowhere close to 1,000, but it's still worth it to me because bottom line, I don't want the frustration of having multiple platforms, trying to talk to each other, trying to make this email go over here and, all that back and forth. I just want to subscribe to one company, get one bill, and have one expense report. The other thing is, if you have ConvertKit and you wait till you get close to 1,000 subscribers before you start thinking about their paid plan, you might want to rethink that subscriber list. So you might want to look at it closer to 300 because their basic automation starts at 300 subscribers, meaning you can send multiple emails to up to 300 subscribers for $15 a month. If you want to continue with your 1,000 subscribers and add automation, you're already at $29 a month. So if you are going to pay ConvertKit $29 a month, then you're going to pay a web hosting, let's say WordPress or somewhere, to host your website. That's going to be another $5 a month, $10 a month. I forget the rate because I'm just doing the all-in-one on Podia right now. Then now you're already over the $39 a month that Podia offers. And like I did, I went ahead and paid for the year. After a few months to month at $39, I paid for the year and got it for about $33 a month. And that's just a great value for me when you consider that I use Podia to host my website, to build courses, to build community groups, to send out my email sequencing, all of that just for $39. And I just have to I just have to think about one payment a year. It takes out the frustration for me as a new business. I'm already learning enough tools like OBS to record this and YouTube and Facebook and all of these things that just get, it's just one more thing after another. And then every week somebody else wants to tell you, hey, you should be trying TikTok or you should try this and that. It's too much. As a new business, you have to start simple. You have to start somewhere. And I think ConvertKit is a great place to start. So why would you switch to something like Podia or to another platform when you could use ConvertKit for free? Many of you are on ConvertKit's free platform and you don't need to go anywhere else for a while. But if you want a website, if you want to be able to have links, have a header image at the top where you could link to other pages, where your about page, your contact page, your training, If you want courses, if you want to be able to host your own videos from time to time or host videos from YouTube or Vimeo or whatever, then Podia is the place to be. If you want community groups, that's where Podia, even though it's a new feature for them, is a very powerful way for your customers to interact with each other and to get other ideas and to be involved in the community. So just to review, 3 ways that Podia crushes ConvertKit. It allows you to have video hosting, it allows you to have your own courses, and it allows you to have your own community groups. Thank you for joining us in today's Podia tips. If you would like to learn more about Podia, you can use the 14-day free trial link that I will have in my description. It is an affiliate link, but I am only an affiliate for Podia right now, and I really believe in this product, and I think that you will come to love it. If not, it doesn't cost you anything to use my link, and it will help me out, help my family as I start on this new venture of having a new business and new YouTube channel. Thank you.